Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and I want to talk about load balancing because we see load balancing in a variety of different ways in Kubernetes, and it can get kind of confusing. So I just wanted to describe the different types of load balancing that we'll come across. But let's define what load balancing is first. Load balancing is a networking component where traffic flows through the load balancer, and the load balancer decides how to distribute traffic to the multiple targets, such as compute nodes or other different kinds of targets based on a set of rules. So examples of this would be ingress and the service, Kubernetes service. Both have load balancing, but there's more than that. So we have external load balancers, we have ingress, we have service, and then we have internal load balancing like IP tables and IPVS, which technically is what service is using. So for external load balancers, the load balancing is controlled by a third-party service. Think of Elastic. It's weird. Like I know application load balancer, Elastic load balancer by AWS or Nginx or things like that. Then you have ingress. So that is the actual service itself. So the idea is you have load balancing algorithm, backend weight schemes. You have service, which will persist sessions. Will have dynamic weights. And then in the eternal load balancing, the load balancing to the containers within the pods, which is randomly distributed. So just understand that there's more than one level of load balancing, and don't get too overwhelmed with that, okay?